Hello everyone, I'm so happy that I've come to the installation ceremony of the 41st installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Central Calcutta. Central Calcutta Rotary is one of the better Rotary clubs in all of West Bengal, and it is among the leading Rotary clubs in all of India. They do some amazing service. The new president is a dynamic lady, Alka Ganeriwala. I am so sure that she's going to have a great event. I just now saw one of her initiatives and I'm really impressed by it. She gave some statistics, thousands and thousands. I mean, in 1 hour, probably 1,800 people or something like that. 1,100 people per day die only because of road accidents. And she has taken up a program of eye testing of every driver, because the statistics show that 25 to 40% of the drivers whose eyes are tested, they have cataract. So it can be very effective if their eyes are tested, and Rotary will take care of giving them eyeglasses as well as doing their cataract surgeries. So this is just one initiative. They take up so many initiatives. Wonderful. My best wishes to them. I'm sure they're going to have a great year ahead. Thank you.
So I congratulate Rotary Club Kolkata for this new initiative under which they are taking this initiative of my driver is eye tested. So this is one of the major reason of road accidents, and road accident is one thing where we lose earning member of our family who go out frequently. So I request everyone, all the members and all the non-members, I request everyone to join this initiative of Rotary Club Central Kolkata, Rotary Central Kolkata, and make this event a big success. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Shukarna Dasgupta, AG of this Rotary Club of Central Calcutta this year. I'm really pleased and honored to be the AG, because the Central Calcutta Rotary Club does amazing works, and they have been doing this in the past, and also presently their vision is excellent. So I'll be there to guide them and be with them and to have an exchange of ideas. It'll be really enjoyable and immensely, it'll be an immensely learning process. Thank you.
The Rotary Club of Central Calcutta is a veteran club of our district, doing yeoman service for the needs of the community for a very long time, and I'm extremely happy and proud to be here. এখানে প্রায় 130 জন মেম্বার আছেন যারা সাংঘাতিক পরিশ্রম করে আমাদের কমিউনিটি নিডসের জন্য, এবং আন্ডার প্রিভিলেজড কমিউনিটিদের প্রচণ্ডভাবে দীর্ঘদিন ধরে হেল্প করছে। তো আমি খুব খুশি হয়েছি এসে, এবং আমাদের এখানকার একজন খুব ভেটারেন রোটেরিয়ান, আমাদের রোটারি ক্লাব অফ সেন্ট্রাল ক্যালকাটার রোটেরিয়ান মিতা লাখোটিয়া আছেন। উনিও এই বছরে উনি আমাদের গভর্নর্স মান্থলি লেটারের উনি চেয়ার, এবং অনেকই খুবই লার্নেড পারসন। আর ওনাকেই আমি এবারে বলবো কিছু রোটারি ক্লাব অফ সেন্ট্রাল ক্যালকাটার সব প্রজেক্টসের ব্যাপারে কিছু বলতে। অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
গুড আফটারনুন, নমস্কার। আমি পাস্ট প্রেসিডেন্ট মিতা লাখোটিয়া। আমি 2002-2003-তে প্রেসিডেন্ট ছিলাম, অ্যান্ড আই এম প্রাউড দ্যাট আফটার 21 years আলকা গানেরিওয়াল প্রেসিডেন্ট হয়েছেন, সেকেন্ড লেডি প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ দ্য ক্লাব, অ্যান্ড every year the president sets a benchmark which is one step higher than the previous year, and we hope to take it more higher this year. Thank you.
Today we have witnessed a wonderful 41st installation ceremony, Pragati, of Rotary Club of Central Calcutta. What a grand show. I appreciate the hard work done by outgoing President and his entire team, led by Sunil Sethia ji, and the new team taken over, Alka Ganeriwala ji and his entire team. They are so charged up, and I'm sure they are going to deliver the magic in Rotary. Rotary touches you in each sphere of your life, doing good to the suffering community, doing good to the suffering humanity, and At the end of the day, you are a blessed person that you are a Rotarian and you wish to do good to others. My compliments and best wishes for the Rotary Club of Central Calcutta for inviting us and extending us the grand hospitality as usual. I fondly remember the PDG Rajkumar Rajgadia ji, the Brij Lakhotia, Mita Lakhotia, and each one of the members, Vinod Khaitan ji, everybody, they are so good friend of ours, and the long association with them, I have learned Rotary from them. Thank you very much.
Well, Rotary Central Calcutta. It's a very, very vibrant and well-known club in our district. They are doing fabulous projects, and for me, this club is little extra special because past District Governor Raju Rajgadia was my governor when I was serving my club as club president. So they are now, I really feel proud that we have such clubs in our district 3291. I wish all the best for the incoming team. They are already installed and hope they will keep doing this fabulous thing what they are doing. Thank you very much.
Indeed, very pleased with the Rotary Club of Central Calcutta, a very great team, treasure of past presidents, wonderful projects. और मैं यही कहता हूँ कि ये क्लब ऐसा है जहाँ दृष्टि है, दिशा है, दिल है और डॉलर्स भी हैं. यहाँ किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं. All the best to the team of Rotary Club of Central Calcutta.
A very, very good afternoon to each one present here today. It's Pravi Chatterjee. I'm the past district governor of this district 3291 in 2021 and 22. Yeah, we are into Rotary. We are always into Rotary because I believe personally, who is a Rotarian? To me, a Rotarian is a satisfied person who enjoys the joy of giving. So that is the reason since last 119 years we are into Rotary, and you can easily see today a club, Rotary Club of Central Calcutta, has done their installation ceremony, 41st installation ceremony. So in Rotary we do service, we are there always to serve, to change others' lives, and that is how the Rotary is all about.
I extend my all very good wishes to Dr. Mrs. Ganeriwal, Rotarian Ganeriwal, and
I'm Dr. Ramendu Hom Chaudhary, District Governor 25-26. I attended the meeting today of Rotary Club of Calcutta Central. It was a wonderful, splendid experience. The first thing for which I should compliment the President, Alka, is the eye checkup of all the drivers. This is something new, out of the box, and it was an excellent project. I think I'll also try, and the next year during my tenure, I'll try to introduce the same. Thank you very much.
I would like to congratulate President Alka and his team to carry out the good work which Central Calcutta has been doing for the last 41 years. What touched me most of today's program is the eye testing of the drivers. So it only shows that installation is not only pomp and grandeur, but service project from the day one. Congratulations once again, Alka. All the best. I'm sure you're going to be a magical president in this magical year of 24-25. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Rotary Club of Central Calcutta is the second highest membership club in the district 3291. At present, they are having 120 numbers of the members, and they are doing fantastic projects for the service to community. They are the annual giving is maximum, and their service is very good, and wish them everything for the incoming year they will do the best. And the present President Alka Ganeriwala, by default, she is the wife of my President Girish Ganeriwala. So she learned everything from Girish. I taught Girish everything. So I hope she will do the best. Thank you.
Good evening, members of the Rotary Central Calcutta, and my congratulations and best wishes to the new team led by the leader Alka Ganeriwal, and we expect the lot more projects in this club, because the district expectation of the district is very, very high, and we are sure you will able to meet all the expectations of the members and the club. Thank you.
पूरे साल जो हमने काम किया एक मानव जाति के लिए और यहाँ के पूरे समाज के लिए, जिसमें हर तबका शामिल है, हमने उसके लिए काम किया, और इसके लिए मैं रोटरी क्लब सेंट्रल कलकत्ता को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि मेरे को इस काम की जिम्मेदारी सौंपी। मैं सुनील सेठिया, इमीडिएट पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट, और मैं शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ अलका भाभी जी को, जो कि अभी प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट हुई हैं, प्रेसिडेंट बनी हैं। थैंक यू, और आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामना अलका भाभी। प्लीज़ कैरी ऑन, और क्लब को हमारे से ज़्यादा आप हाइट पे ले जाओगे, यही शुभकामना के साथ सुनील सेठिया। थैंक यू।
তো আমি বাংলাতে বক্তব্য করব আমার। আমি সন্দীপ আগরওয়াল, আমি আমাদের ক্লাবের আজকের প্রোগ্রামের জন্য ইনস্টলেশন চেয়ারম্যান ছিলাম। আজকের প্রোগ্রামটা খুবই ভালো করে আমরা সম্পন্ন করতে পেরেছি। আমি আমার প্রেসিডেন্ট আলকা গানেরিওয়াল, সেক্রেটারি সতীশ জালানকে ধন্যবাদ দিতে চাই যে উনি আমার উপরে এই দায়িত্বটা দিলেন। আমি এই প্রোগ্রামটা আজকে এইভাবে করতে পারলাম। আমি সমস্ত মেম্বার্স, আমাদের ডিস্ট্রিক্টের ডিগনিটিসরা, আমাদের অন্য ক্লাবের মেম্বাররা, আরও আরসিসিরা, আমাদের ফ্যামিলি মেম্বাররা সবাই এসছেন এখানে এই প্রোগ্রামটা সফল করার জন্যে। এটা আমার খুবই ভালো লাগছে কি সবাই এসছে, এই প্রোগ্রামটা এত সুন্দরভাবে আমরা অনুষ্ঠিত করতে পেরেছি। এটার জন্য আমি সবার কাছে কৃতজ্ঞ। আর এই বলেই আমি আমাদের প্রেসিডেন্ট আর সেক্রেটারিকে আগামী 2 বছরের জন্যে খুব শুভেচ্ছা আর ওয়েল উইশেস দিতে চাই কি ওরা খুব ভালো করেন আর আমাদের ক্লাবকে আরও উপরে নিয়ে যান, আর ডিস্ট্রিক্টে আর ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে আমরা বড় হয়ে আরও উঠে বেরি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
I am past President Brijmon Lakhotia. I joined Rotary in the year 1989. I was president in 1999 and 2000. I have lived Rotary, and I can say for sure that the Rotary is doing great service to mankind. Mankind is our business, and we are trying to make the impact in a sustainable manner in the world. Rotary is something which should be in everybody's heart. Thank you.
Hi all, this is a great occasion on the 41st installation of Rotary Club of Central Calcutta. I'm very proud to be a Rotarian of rather long standing and the past president of this club. We had a great function today, and it was very nice to see so many DGs and district officials everywhere, and it was very well attended. We're looking forward to a very good year of bringing forth the magic of Rotary. Look forward to everybody. Bye folks.
Hello, myself Sri Ratan Jawar, past President Rotary Club of Central Calcutta. I was President in the year 2009-10, and thereafter I am holding so many assignments in the district, and it's very pleasant member having so many good works we are doing, and our aim is to serve the people, those who are in distress. Thank you.
Friends, it was a wonderful experience hosting the 41st installation ceremony of our club, Rotary Club of Central Calcutta. I have been a Rotarian since 2003, and this Rotary is a wonderful institution, wonderful organization जिसमें कि हम लोग वी आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग व्हेन वी एंटर इनटू अ रोटरी, बिकॉज रोटरी में क्या है, फेलोशिप ही नहीं, सर्विसेज हैं, कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज है, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. रोटरी हैज़ टॉट मी the leadership, the fear of coming on the stage is out. I can speak, I can say, because this is what I have learned from Rotary. Rotary has become my extended family. Thanks to Alka Ganeriwala, our incoming president, who is, and congratulations to her for leading the club, and I wish her all the best for the coming year. Thank you.
I am Ranjan Goenka. मैं रोटरी ज्वाइन किया कोई आई थिंक 2019 में, एंड उसके बाद कोविड आ गया तो ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाया, एंड समझ लीजिए कि आउट ऑफ द ब्लू दे सेलेक्टेड मी टू सर्व एज द क्लब सेक्रेटरी लास्ट ईयर 23-24 में, एंड समझिए वहाँ से मेरी रियल जर्नी चालू हुई. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, एंड पूरे साल में मतलब हमारे को जितनी प्यार मिली है सारे रोटेरियन से, मतलब इट इज़ समथिंग मैं इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकता था. और हमारे इतने सीनियर्स हैं यहाँ पे, डोंट गो बाय द एज, गो बाय द नंबर ऑफ रोटरी ईयर्स स्पेंट. एवरीबडी गाइडेड मी एट एवरी पॉइंट. मेरे को बहुत ही सहारा मिला सबका, एंड पूरे साल में हमने बहुत कुछ काम भी कर पाया. और अब हमारी नई टीम आई है, और आज का प्रोग्राम तो देख करके इट वॉज सो गुड, एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज सो फ्लॉलेस इन टुडे. आई थिंक इस साल हम और भी काम करेंगे, and मतलब कि to the new team, the president, I am also part of the team, but my full cooperation to Alka ji, Satish ji and the rest of the people in the Rotary, I extend all my cooperation and support, and let us hope that we have a wonderful year. Let us create magic.
I am Pradeep Murarka, Rotarian of this Central Calcutta, charter member for the last 41 years. It's a beautiful platform for the young and for the upcoming people to join this lovely group. It has got a good fellowship as well as social responsibility. Lot of social activities are being carried out. I earnestly request all the people to come and join this lovely group, form your own fellowship and do lot of work for the society. Thank you.
Rotary brings smile to the needy. यहाँ पे भी ज़रूरत होती है, छोटी छोटी ज़रूरत होती है, वहाँ पे रोटरी पहुँच जाते हैं. दैट्स द मैजिक ऑफ रोटरी. आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू बी अ रोटरियन एंड एसोसिएटेड विथ सो मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स. इट गिव्स मी ट्रिमेंडस प्लेजर ऑफ गिविंग टू द सोसाइटी. थैंक यू.
Congratulations Alka Ganeriwal for being the president of Rotary.
We are extremely proud of you for achieving this milestone in such a short span of life.
Congratulations and all the best. May you shine this year.
I am very happy that Alka has become the president. It was being so she has always been assisted me very well, and I wish that this leadership of Rotary Calcutta will make her a true leader, will take out her other good qualities, and she will be able to have new ideas, different things, different thoughts, and she always working very hard. And many people think that it's me who is at the back. Yes, I'm at the back as a support, but all her ideas, all her team spirits, all her thoughts and visions are her own, and because I allow her to work her freely with her own team, own passion, and that's it. I wish good luck to Alka. My all support to her all the time. Thank you.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. This is C.A. Satish Jalan, your club secretary, and I wish the best wishes to our Rotary team for RY 24-25. May we learn together, may we grow together, may we progress together. Thank you so much.
I was given the opportunity to be the MC for today's installation ceremony. It was quite nervous thing, but then I had to make it happen, and because of the team effort I was able to do it. I really enjoy it, and I'm taking back with me lots of experiences to make myself better, and I wish the team of Rotary 2024-25 all the very best. Keep making Rotary higher and higher. Thank you.
So it was very great experience to be at the 41st installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Central Calcutta.
So I am the district youth membership chair. So I would expect the club to also be increasing the youth members. And it was really a great experience, and it was a very nice arrangement. Thank you.
दिल से मेहनत करने का नतीजा भी अच्छा होता है। वो हमने आज के प्रोग्राम में देखा। इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की और इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छी तरह से गया और आशा है पूरा साल भी इनका अच्छे से जाएगा। जितना मैं इनको जानता हूँ पहले अलका जी को, ये काफ़ी लगन से सिंसियरिटी से काम करते हैं और इस साल भी ऐसा ही आशा रख सकते हैं आप सब। धन्यवाद।
All the best to President and his team, and Alka will be doing a wonderful job for the Rotary, for the needy person, and hope it will be a magic to the needy person of this 3291. Thank you.
Today we have from Central Calcutta, all of us have gathered here at Sobhumi to commence the current Rotary year, that is 2024-25, under the aegis of our great leader Rotarian Alka Ganeriwal. We wish her all the best, and we are also sure that this particular year will go off very well with lots of projects, fellowships, and we will all enjoy and do lot of work. Thank you so much.
Coming here today to the 41st installation ceremony of the Rotary Club of Central Calcutta has been a great experience. I've had this experience in the past, I've had it today, and I must say although I'm not a member of the club, I feel very attached to it given my association over the years as a guest speaker. My name is Utpal Chatterjee, and presently in the Rotary District 3291, I am the Rotary Ambassador in Chief. Now, it's just a coincidence that only the other day I have been appointed the Global Ambassador of Peace under the aegis of the United Nations. And there are 4 Global Peace Ambassadors all across the globe. I was told last night that I shall be representing Asia and Asia Pacific. I was very happy I received a congratulatory call from New Delhi, and you know what that means. But let me tell you, being appointed the Rotary Ambassador in every conceivable way is a great honor and privilege. I deem it that way. Thank you so much to you and to whoever's listening to me, and to the all the members of Rotary Club of Calcutta Central. Thank you so much.
Dear Alka, heartily congratulations on your installation as a President of the Rotary Club of Central Calcutta and your team. Wishing you a successful and fulfilling leadership, inspire and make a positive impact on the community. Best wishes for the remarkable year.